I'm Chris Castro, and this is my bike check. I'll start up off the top with my grips, like everybody else does. I got ODI long necks. I hate them. They're not worn in yet, and I've had them forever. My bars are Shadow Voltices, sorry, and 9-inch rise and 28 width. My stem is a Colt V1 Salvation, I guess, and then my headset is a Cane Creek cap with animal bearings, and then my forks are Shadow Captives, and then I got a Shadow Little Ones peg and some random Eastern peg. And then my rim is an Odyssey Quadrant laced to a Primo N4 FL. And then my frame is some random Verde. It's cracked. I like the geometry on it, but Verde sucks. So yeah, and 20.75. And then my seat is a Stranger seat. It's awesome.
Amazing seat.
Yeah. Fucking love it. Random posts.
I love the randoms.
Yeah, exactly. A random bottom bracket.
Random.
Yeah. And then premium 1948 brakes and Odyssey JC pedals. And then over here I have a random peg.
Another random.
Yeah. An animal hub guard with the sleeve. Fucking love that thing.
Looking sick.
Yeah. And then I have a Odyssey V3 hub with glow-in-the-dark paint on it.
Say you left it at my house.
Laced to a Odyssey Quadrant rim. And then on this side, I have Odyssey MDS sprocket in 28 too. Alright. Thank you for watching my bike check. Been life.